guys, and today we went to Target and we got two Skylander Giants. We still have the video game, but we thought this would be fun because we need an igniter. We got a single pack with Pop Fizz, and we needed an igniter and a Zook. Right here, let me Skylander. Yeah, and Chill. Alright, so these guys are it. And let's start unboxing Pop Fizz. What? Since Pop Fizz is unboxing, start opening your toy.
Always like soda.
Yeah, he's like soda-licious. So show to the people.
The commercial said that that's what the soda gave him, powers. He's the only one that can control the soda.
Alright, so there. I open up.
Oh, rip!
Alright, so it actually. Alright,
let's open it up and review the toy.
So yeah. Let's.
Come on, get out of here.
So the new thing is that they actually put Skylander Giant stuff. Alright, so give me the card. So give me the cards. Alright. So I'll get everything out from the Giant stuff.
So
he got Pop Fizz. So while you start taking out Pop Fizz, I'll actually take out the cards. So I'll actually take out the cards. Actually, be careful. So here is Pop Fizz. He comes with a little sticker and Pop Fizz and stuff. There you guys go. That is Pop Fizz. And here we have history.
Oh, I got it!
Okay, so
and here we got the Skylander.
He is very detailed.
I'm drinking the soda. It's awesome. And he had 3 other bottles.
Alright, so let's get the card in here. So here's his card. Very cool.
You can use my gameplay.
So he has 3 soda bottles at the back of his back. 1 bottle he's actually drinking. And he's actually like so delicious. And his ears are weird and they actually move. So now let's get to the 3-pack, which actually belongs to me. Alright, so let's alright. There for now, let's just do that. Alright. Yeah, this is hard. Alright, so this is my first 3-pack of Skylander Giants. Oh, shoot. This actually hurts a lot. Open the. Alright, so I opened the box. So this is what it looks like. Just kidding. Alright. So I found a hole with my hands.
They put a hole.
They
put a hole in it so that we can open it. You got it?
I got everything out of the box. Oh yeah, and you guys see Chill right here? Mario Shuffle actually wanted Chill at Target, and I said, I'll buy this 3-pack and I'll give you Chill. Because I wanted Igniter, or whatever, however you call him. And I actually wanted him for a really long time, really bad, to finish my Skylander collection. And my hands, so actually he's pretty hard to take out. So, let's throw this trap. Alright, go! Okay, so who thinks of putting this on the plastic?
I think you collect all the fire Skylanders!
Yeah, I actually did. Alright, so here we are. So it actually comes with just one whole big paper of Skylanders.com, because it actually does now. The card and stuff. Alright, let's get the cards out first. Because I want the cards out on all these guys.
In the Skylander,
I actually don't want to bend these cards, so I actually am
I think the cards have a code.
I know, right?
Alright,
so let's try to do. Oh, sorry guys. Alright, let me use. Alright, there we go. It's just me to light it up. Alright, so alright, there we go. Oh yeah, so let me take this out. You guys, alright, let me show you guys this. Alright, let me take this out for you guys.
Say that they can light up in the game.
Alright, so you guys see this? Chill is not playable on Skylander, is only playable on Skylander Giants, not Spyro's Adventure. Zook is playable on both of the games. And
Igniter is
playable on both of the games. Alright, so Pop Fizz, it doesn't show Pop Fizz. Okay, so Pop Fizz right here, he is not playable on, oh god. Okay, there we go. So that is everything.
Skylander Spyro's Adventure.
Yeah, so let's get the cards out. I actually don't want to damage anything, So this is why I'm actually
Like course, Annabella on the Skylander.
Oh yeah, if you guys where I live, we actually found Hothead, and he's not available anywhere else, so we're lucky. So here's Zook's card, a little bent, but it's good. Zook's, and you guys can see the logos right there.
This was fake or real?
I don't know. It's fake.
Well,
Okay, so here are the stickers of Pop Fizz. Alright, let me hide the code from you guys. I don't want you guys to steal it or anything. But here's Zook and Pop Fizz. They come with the stickers and the code and stuff. So let's get Chill out next. Chill's card next. And Chill's card is actually being held captive by the evil Emperor Zurg. And here, so it's bent. The card's bent again. So here's Chill's card. Very cool. Chill looks very awesome. She has a cool sword. Alright, so here
and
is
the shield
for her stickers. You scrawny people. Alright, so anyways, that is the next one.
And then
Igniter. I'm actually gonna alright. So actually flip the card out from the back. Here are the stickers.
So now look at the card. You can get your own.
Yeah, get your own. And Igniter. Alright, so next, the figures. Alright. So from this one, we'll get Chill out. Alright, so let's get Zook out instead.
We will watch
these guys are hard. We actually watch Reganzilla.
He have a Skylander
actually, his baby brother, he's kind of, I don't know why, but I don't think they should allow the baby to have Skylanders. Because, I mean, they're actually choking hazards to the babies. As I recall from the Pokemon incident in 1999, because I recall that incident. I actually didn't know that happened until I watched it on the internet. Like I don't remember. Like this day, like two weeks ago. Yeah, it is. Oh God. I mean, so here's Zook.
I want to drink a soda.
So that's Zook, and there he is. That is
no cool. Soda for you.
This is Zook series.
Get your own soda.
And if you guys, so here's the two figures right now. Next up we have Chill, which I actually have trouble with. Some Chill.
Hey, he has a shooter.
Okay. Oh good. Oh, good for him. Okay, so actually she is more movable. She has her whole body is actually more movable for the weight. So I'm actually making. What the? Alright, I got her out. It took me a while. So here she is.
Look at his back. I think she has a shield.
Her shield of ice, which are very movable. Her head is movable. Look, this her head, arms.
Let me see.
Alright, so there she is, the water Skylander. So here are three of her Skylanders. Finally, Igniter, which I actually needed on my team. Alright, there we go. So here's Igniter.
You have a fire sword. The fire sword looks like a fork.
Yes, the fork. Yeah, it actually does.
Look at the back.
And he has a shield on the back. So, if you guys want me to do Skylander gameplay, on which games do you guys want me to do it? 3DS or Wii? Because we own a Wii and a DS. So which one do you guys want us to do that on? 3DS or Wii, or which of these two consoles would you guys like to see it on? Please comment us, and we're out of here. Oh, by the way, sorry because I haven't made any Pokemon videos lately. Actually it wasn't a busy day, but I just wasn't in the mood today. Wasn't in the mood yesterday, because if you guys haven't seen, I've been actually doing every video every day. And in a few weeks, like around November 9th or something around there, you guys will actually see me get a big package. And you guys might be seeing on the commentation earlier on the video that I might be getting Black and White too. Well, today we're actually going to Target, and our mom told us if instead of buying these Skylanders, we could have bought the games, but instead we bought the Skylanders. Alright, so bye guys.